Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Video Ads 2.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of video ads for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate video ads in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Video Ad Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is video marketing all about. What are video ads? How can video ads help your business? Shocking video advertising facts to consider. Section 2. Video ads step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about finding the right tool to create your video, getting started with YouTube advertising, creating a basic video ad campaign on YouTube, using AdWords for video, setting up an in-stream ad, setting up an in-display ad. Section 3. Advanced Video Ad Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about creating a brand awareness campaign, creating a video ad on Facebook, creating a video remarketing campaign, other video advertising platforms to consider, optimizing your video ads, and video advertising tips and tricks. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of video ads on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training. Hey there everyone, welcome to the newest video training series. We are glad that you've just signed up to learn the skills that will allow you to totally dominate one of the best performing advertising channels of the modern internet era. Because in this video training, we are going to teach you how to crush it with video ads. In this updated training, you will be learning what makes video ads the top performing advertising strategy today, and how you can dominate it like a pro from start to finish, step by step. In this first section of our training, the Video Ad Basics section, we're going to tell you all about video ads and the reasons why you should join the video advertising money-making machine. The contents in this section include: what is video marketing all about? What are video ads? How can video ads help your business? Shocking video advertising facts to consider. So allow us to grab you by the hand and be your guide while we discuss the basics. What is video marketing all about? Video marketing is, in its most bare-bones sense, the use of video to deliver online marketing campaigns. But because you can integrate video into so many stages of an online marketing campaign, it is better to define video marketing as a clever marketing strategy that integrates engaging and relevant video content into online marketing campaigns. In other words, video marketing can either be a marketing strategy in itself or a complementary strategy in any multimedia online marketing campaign. Video marketing is a very straightforward process when looked at from the surface level. As a marketer, brand, or business, you are in charge of creating or outsourcing the creation of videos to promote your name, your products, your services, your websites, or your retail locations. Your goal is to engage and convert your target audience into customers with video content. But video marketing is a very data-driven online marketing strategy that requires you to do a lot of behind-the-scenes work before you launch your first successful video marketing campaign. In fact, the majority of most marketers' first video marketing campaigns are not created with the intention of driving lots of sales. Instead, their goal is to track interactions and engagement metrics that can help them to create truly profitable video marketing campaigns. Yet, video marketing is not always used to drive direct sales. A lot of times, video marketing campaigns are designed to create brand awareness or to generate traffic to a website, which are objectives that will generate sales or revenue later on. To sum it all up, Video marketing is an online marketing strategy that can be used to generate traffic, to capture leads, and to drive direct sales, depending on what monetization method you integrate with your video marketing campaigns. But please understand this. Video marketing relies mostly on organic channels and word of mouth to spread, and you will need to be persistent, patient, and network savvy to make it work. So, what if you wanted faster results? What if you wanted to try a more direct, more aggressive form of video marketing? What if you didn't want to create marketing videos, but you would rather use other people's videos to promote your stuff like you would on a blog? The answer is in our next video, so tune in. What are video ads? Hey there everyone. So we already talked about video marketing, or about how you can use relevant video content to complement any type of marketing campaign. And we're sure that you are now seeing how some of your favorite content creators are simply using video marketing to drive home their message as the most effective part of their content marketing strategy. Yet, by now you are also aware that video marketing is often used as part of a larger content marketing campaign for a reason. And that is because it is a longer-term strategy that is mostly used to create engagement instead of, say, create immediate sales. Granted, you can use video marketing to promote affiliate products and make money off it, but the truth is that you will be required to deliver not only relevance, but also value to your target audience. That means that you won't be able to use video marketing to directly pitch your offers, but to show your audience the benefits of your offer in an indirect way, which will in turn drive sales later on. So the question now is, what if your objective is to send your message in the fastest way possible? What if you want to bypass all the formalities and the difficulties so often associated with organic engagement and tell your target audience to buy your product now or to move on otherwise? Well, we might just have an answer for you. Video advertising. Okay, but what is video advertising all about? Just as the name implies, video advertising is all about the use of video for advertising. More specifically, video advertising is the use of online video for ad placements. In fact, video advertising is a very broad term that encompasses not only ad placements, but also the use of the unique features offered by video sharing platforms for advertising. In this sense, video ads are no longer understood as simple banner ads flashing in online videos, but also as any type of ad unit in video format. This is because you will also be able to see video ads outside of video sharing platforms such as YouTube, such as muted right-hand column video ads on blogs and pre-roll video ads on major sites. The internet has gotten so used to video ads that you may have a hard time telling one video ad format from another. People are simply happy to watch or interact with a video ad just like if they were watching a video on YouTube. And that's why so many marketers love video ads. Here are some of the most popular video ad formats. We're pretty sure you've seen them before. Overlay video ads. These are the classic banner ads that appear underneath the screen while you are watching an online video. Companion video ads. These display-like ads appear outside the video, around the video player. Linear video ads. These are non-static video ads that can appear both on online videos as pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll, and on website content as on top of, in the middle, or on the bottom of content advertising. And they often take embed-like positioning. Interactive video ads. This type of video ad often takes over the entire screen and integrates some form of interaction such as links, opt-in pages, and even mini games. They're generally longer, from 1 to 2 minutes long. Awesome, right? Then wait until we tell you all about how video ads can benefit your business in our following video. Tune in. How can video ads help your business? Hey there, my friends. When you start looking for ways to rapidly expand your business, not every marketing strategy will do the trick. You need to make money, And just as importantly, you need to get a return on your investment. After all, you can't keep a business alive through brand awareness alone. That is why video advertising should be your first bet. It is more effective than traditional TV advertising, and it costs substantially less. And there are many other benefits for your business aside from those. Here are our favorite ways video ads can help your business. Video ads can help your business reach a highly targeted worldwide audience. One of the greatest advantages of video advertising is in its reach. By advertising on video sharing sites such as YouTube, which gets over 30 million visitors a day from all around the world, you will be able to reach out to millions of people with your video advertising campaigns within a very short time. And who knows? You can complement your video ads with highly relevant video content that can go viral and give you millions of views in a few days' time. You can imagine the benefits of that for your business. Video ads increase conversions. Video ads can increase conversions by up to 80%, thanks to their disruptive nature. Because video ads interrupt the online watching experience, they are able to encourage people to take action on the spot. Video ads also offer the advantage of allowing you to integrate links to affiliate products, sales pages, sign-up forms, or online stores, which makes it easier for leads to follow through with an offer. Video ads can increase awareness of your business. Video ads can help you to deliver your message more effectively because video grabs your audience's attention more aggressively, helping people to remember more of what they saw and heard. This is because people will spend more time watching your video ads than they would staring at a display ad. And even if you use overlay and companion ads, people will most likely remember your business or product because they will be integrated into their audiovisual experience. Video ads are cost efficient. We already mentioned how online video ads are way less expensive than TV commercials, but saying so is just the tip of the iceberg. Advertising on a site such as YouTube is a cheap alternative for your business, as long as you know who you are going to target. Effective targeting helps you to avoid targeting the wrong audience, thus helping you to save money on unqualified leads. Cost reduction is not only because video ads are cheap, but also because video ads are cheaper to produce and edit, as you will be able to use affordable video capturing and editing tools to create your video ads. And the costs are lower when you factor in overlay and companion ads. As you can see, video ads are a flexible, affordable, and engaging way of promoting your business the right way. Want to learn more mind-blowing stuff about video advertising? Tune in to our following video. Shocking video advertising facts to consider. Adding video ads on your landing pages can increase your conversions by a whopping 80%, regardless of your target niche. There are 4 times more consumers who would rather watch a video about a product than reading about it. Not only that, but 46% of people end up taking some sort of action or purchasing decision after viewing a video ad. On average, people spend up to 260% more time on pages with video content and 88% more time on websites where they know that they will find video content. That effect doesn't diminish when such videos are video ads. And in fact, it's being found that people favor video ads over display ads on a website. Now, that doesn't mean that you should ditch your banner ads anytime soon, as it has been shown that combining video ads with page display ads boosts ad engagement by 22%. Research on consumer response to online advertising has found that 71% of people like and prefer funny video ads, and that they make people more likely to remember the business, product, or service promoted in the video ad. Other video ad categories fare well below funny video ads when it comes to consumer preference, with educational video ads at 12%, sexy video ads at 8%, serious video ads at 4%, and patriotic video ads at 3%. The reason why video ads are such a powerful online advertising force is because targets retain 95% of your marketing message when they watch it on a video ad, whereas they only retain 10% of the message when they see it on a display ad or read it on a text ad. Businesses that use video ads as part of their overall advertising strategy get 27% higher click-through rates and 34% higher website conversion rates from their campaigns. Digital video ad spending in the U.S. more than doubled in the span of 4 years, with $5.96 billion in 2014 and $12.82 billion in 2018. 75% of online advertisers have stated that online video ads have been equally as and sometimes more effective than traditional television ads, and with almost double their impact on key measurement metrics that include message recall, brand recall, and ad likability. Video advertising has proven to work not only for business-to-consumer or B2C marketers, but also for business-to-business or B2B marketers, with over 96% of B2B companies integrating video advertising into their online marketing campaigns, with 73% of them reporting a positive return on investment. There are 53% of businesses reporting that using video advertising has not proven successful for them, which can be attributed to them targeting only one channel. The good news is that those that started to target additional channels saw positive results, with 47% of them that integrated video ads in their email campaigns seeing an 80% increase in effectiveness rate, and 87% of those doing so in their social media campaigns seeing a 78% increase in effectiveness rate. Hey there everyone, and welcome to Section 2 of our video advertising training series, Video Ads Step by Step, where we are going to teach you all about getting started with video ads the right way, from selecting the right video creation tools to setting up your first video advertising campaigns. The contents in this section include finding the right tool to create your video, getting started with YouTube advertising, creating a basic video ad campaign on YouTube, using AdWords for video, setting up an in-stream ad, setting up an in-display ad. So, let's kickstart this section with the first video on our list. Finding the right tool to create your video. Finding the right type of video creation tool to set up your video ads is crucial, not only because there are too many options out there, but also because each video creation tool is intended for a different purpose. And it all comes down to you factoring in what type of video advert you want to create, be it animated, live recorded, or as a presentation. Here is a list of our top video creation tool recommendations. Animoto. Animoto is a cloud-based video creation tool that will allow you to produce your photos, video clips, and music clips into awesome video slideshows. This is thanks to its patented cloud-powered cinematic artificial intelligence technology. Animoto was created by a group of people from the entertainment industry. Inspired by the poor quality of online videos, the people behind Animoto wanted to give people an alternative way of creating quality video content for online platforms in the easiest way possible. Animoto is mainly targeted at businesses eager to get noticed and connect with their customers, at photographers that want to showcase their work and create unforgettable client experiences, and at families that want to put their memories in motion. Animoto is truly easy to use, and you only need to set the tone by choosing a video style and song first, then to customize your video by adding photos, video clips, and text to it, and to finalize it by producing and sharing it. For businesses, Animoto offers the opportunity to create powerful professional marketing videos with its incredibly simple video editor. You will just have to select a video storyboard or to create yours from scratch, to add your photos, video clips, and text to customize your video, and then to produce your video and advertise it on the platforms of your choice. Biteable. Biteable is a free online platform that will allow you to create awesome video ad campaigns for digital distribution and mobile. In a nutshell, it is an incredibly quick and easy-to-use browser-based application that will let you turn your most creative advertising ideas into great-looking videos to advertise your business across any online platform. Using any one of Bitable's free advertising video templates, you will have an easy time to get started creating a video advert that works for mobile and desktop platforms. What's more, Creating an advertising video with Biteable is as easy as signing up on Biteable.com to get started. And it's free. Then you'll have to choose an advertising video template that you like. And there are lots of awesome looking templates to search from, such as claymation templates and animated templates. Lastly, you will simply have to start editing the customizable video template to your liking, and you are set to go. Biteable's simple yet powerful video editing capabilities enable you to be creative, relevant, brief, and playful, and will help you to get as much attention to your business as you can afford through video advertising. Once you set up your video with Biteable, you will be able to advertise it on social media, through email-based advertising campaigns, and on third-party websites. Vidyard. Vidyard is another powerful cloud-based video creation platform that will allow you to create, share, and publish video ads online in a matter of minutes. Its potent video creation engine allows its users to convert video clips, photos, images, sounds, music, and animation effects into awesome video ads. Using Vidyard to create your advertising videos is as simple can get. And you'll simply have to start by selecting a video ad template or to create one of your own from scratch. Then you'll have to add your video clips, your images, your text, your voiceover tracks, and your music as well as your special effects to create your own branded online commercial. Lastly, you will simply have to start advertising your video, and Vidyard integrates with social networks and other platforms to let you promote your video right from its website. These platforms include Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Features for businesses include a centralized content dashboard, a content creation studio, multi-channel distribution, automatic content and channel optimizations, programmatic personalization, dynamic measurement, tracking, and insights. Awesome! So what's the easiest way to launch your video advertising campaign once you use one of these tools to create your first advertising video? Stay tuned to find out. Getting started with YouTube advertising. Hey there everyone! YouTube is the easiest platform to get started when it comes to video advertising. Not only because it is the largest video sharing site by audience size, but also because it has an easy-to-use self-serving advertising platform that you can start using today. So in this video, we are going to walk you through getting started with YouTube advertising step by step. Setting up a YouTube channel for ads. Creating your own YouTube channel for ads is a simple process that will only take a few clicks of your mouse. Start by going to your account icon on YouTube, and then click on Settings. Now click on the Create a Channel link, and then on Use a Business or Other Name. This option will allow you to create a branded channel for your business, from where you will be able to set up your video ad campaigns. Now in the Brand Account Name field, enter the name of your brand or business, and then click on Create. Awesome! Now click on the Customize Channel button to add your brand or business identity to your new channel. Click on the Edit button on the profile icon to the left to add your logo. Click on the Edit pop-up, and then click on Upload Photo on the new page. Now double-click on your business logo on your computer, and then click on Done when it fully uploads. Go back to your channel page and click on the Add Channel Art button to add your channel's background art. You can either upload photos, select an image from your photos, or select one from the gallery. Once you have selected your channel art, click on Select. And because this is an advertising channel, the most important section that you will need to add info to is the About section. This section will help you to redirect those leads that visit your channel when they click on in-display ads from YouTube to your website or landing pages. So click on the About tab and start by clicking on the Channel Description button to add your business description. Then click on the Email button to add your business email, and then add your location using the Location menu. Lastly, click on the Links button, enter your link's description in the link title field, and then your actual URL in the URL field. Finally, click on Done once you finish adding your business info. Additional configurations that you can customize on your own later on include your channel settings and your featured channels. Now that you have set up a business channel for advertising, you will need to link your AdWords account with your YouTube account. So let's get to it. Linking your AdWords and YouTube accounts. Although you will be able to use your YouTube channel to advertise your videos, linking AdWords to your advertising channel will allow you to access expanded video advertising features, such as advanced audience targeting options, call to action overlays, and many more. And linking your AdWords account with your YouTube channel is easier than it may sound. So let's take a look. Start by clicking on your channel icon, and then click on the Creator Studio button. Now go to the Channel tab on the left-hand menu and click on the Advanced submenu tab. Scroll straight down to the AdWords account linking section. Now click on the Link an AdWords account button. You will be asked to provide your AdWords customer ID in a new pop-up window. So simply click on the adwords.google.com/video URL highlighted on top of this new window. You will be redirected to your AdWords account, where you will be able to retrieve your customer ID. Once in your AdWords account, you will locate your customer ID in the top right corner. Copy it and go back to YouTube. Now paste your AdWords customer ID in the customer ID field. Then click on Next. Now assign a name for your linked AdWords account and set permissions for the account. These permissions include view counts on calls to action, remarketing, and engagement. And we recommend you to leave them all checked as by default. Now that all is set and done, you'll simply have to click on Finish. Now your YouTube channel is linked to your AdWords account. The last step is to approve your linked accounts on AdWords. Go back to your AdWords account and click on the Settings button, and then on the Linked Accounts option. Once in the Linked Account section, click on the YouTube tab on the left-hand menu. Now that you are in the YouTube channel section, you will simply have to click on the View Request button that corresponds to your linked channel, and then to click on Confirm. Your channel status will change to linked once you confirm this action. And that's it. Now you will be able to promote your video ads and to create professional and highly targeted video advertising campaigns right from your AdWords account as well. In our following videos, we are going to show you how to set up a video ad campaign from your YouTube channel as well as from your AdWords account the easy way. So make sure to tune in. Creating a basic video ad campaign on YouTube. Hey there everyone! Now that you have learned how to set up your YouTube account for video advertising, it is time that you learn how to actually launch your first video ad campaign as well. So let's get to work. First, you have to start by uploading a video to promote. To upload a video, you will simply have to click on the Upload button located on the dashboard's top bar menu. Now click on Select Files to upload. Locate your video ad on your computer and double-click on it. Your video will now be uploaded and processed, so don't close or reload the page in the meanwhile. Now you can start adding your video's basic info. Start by entering the title, then the description, the tags, and the thumbnail. Once you've entered your basic info, you can configure the options available in the Translations and Advanced Settings tabs. In the Translations section, you will be able to select the original video language and to add translated titles and descriptions in new languages. In the Advanced Settings section, you will be able to set up additional advanced settings. Here you will be able to allow comments on your video, to select whether to show them all, to show only appropriate comments, or to require approval before showing a comment, to sort comments by top comments, and by newest first. You will be able to select your video category, to specify your video location, to select your video language, to allow community contributions, to enter a recording date, to allow video statistics to be shown on the watch page, and to customize additional advanced settings such as syndication, caption certifications, distribution options, and content declarations. Once you are done customizing your video, you will simply have to click on the Publish button. Now that your video has been uploaded, you will be able to promote it using the YouTube advertising dashboard. So once you're ready to promote a video, You will simply have to click on your channel profile icon and then to click on the Creator Studio button. Now go over to the Videos column on your Creator Studio dashboard. Select the video that you're going to promote, click on the drop-down menu right beside the Edit button, and then click on the Promote option. Now click on the Promote Your Video button to start creating your new video ad campaign. First, you will be required to set up your campaign budget and to select your audience. Start by setting up the budget. You will have two options in the budget menu. The campaign budget option will allow you to allocate a total amount to be spent for the entire campaign. You will get a preview of the estimated number of views and impressions that your video ad will get based on the amount that you allocate on your campaign budget in estimated views. The daily budget option will allow you to set up a fixed daily amount of money for your campaign, and you will get an estimated number of daily views and impressions based on the amount that you allocate on your daily budget in estimated views per day. Once you select your budget style, you will have to select the currency that you will be using to pay for your video ad campaigns in the Currency Selection menu, and to enter your total campaign budget or total daily budget amount in the Your Budget box. We recommend you to select the daily budget option and to enter a daily budget of $5 to get started, as you will be able to adjust and increase your daily budget amount later on when you start achieving your objectives. Over in the Audience section, you will be able to select the Everyone option to reach as many people as fast as possible with your campaigns. Or, you will be able to select the Let Me Choose Who Sees My Ad targeting option to narrow your targeting. If you select the latter option, you will be able to target specific locations in the Locations box and to target specific keywords used by niche audiences in the Interests box. In our example case, we are going to select Let Me Choose Who Sees My Ad, and we're going to target the United States in Locations and Health and Fitness in Interests. Once you set up your budget and targeting, click on Next Step to continue. Now it is time to design your video ad. Start by adding your video ad headline in the Headline field. Headlines should be short and can include the name of your brand, your product, or service, alongside keywords that describe the use and benefits of your offer, as long as it makes sense in the context of your ad. Now use the Description Line 1 and Description Line 2 fields to enter a brief description on each. We recommend you to use Description Line 1 to enter your website's or landing page's URL, and Description Line 2 to add a call to action or to include a discount shoutout. Text in these description lines will only appear on in-display ads, and you can preview them by clicking on the In-Display Ads button on the Preview section. The last step here is to select a thumbnail image for your video ad. Now click on the Next Step button to continue. The final step is to sign up to AdWords to launch your new video ad campaign. So click on the Sign Into AdWords button to continue. What you'll have to do here is to simply enter your billing info. Select your country or territory and click on Continue. Now select your account type, enter your name and address, then select your payment method. Lastly, accept the AdWords Terms and Conditions by checking the I accept the AdWords Terms and Conditions box and click on Save. Your billing credentials will be saved, and you will only have to review and confirm your video ad campaign. And that's it. Next up, we will be showing you how to start using AdWords for video. So tune in. Using AdWords for video. Hello there, my friends. You might know the AdWords platform as the biggest display ad network available. And it is great for video advertising too, with unique features such as more detailed audience targeting options and broader marketing objectives. To use AdWords for video, you will simply have to start on your AdWords account and to click on the Campaigns tab. Now click on the New Campaign drop-down menu and click on the Video option. Start by naming your new video ad campaign in the Campaign Name field. Now select your type of video campaign. There are two types of video campaigns to choose from. The standard type is designed to drive views, awareness, and conversions with video ads. The shopping type is designed to encourage people to buy products listed in your Google Merchant Center account. In our case, we're going to select the standard video campaign type to send targets to our business website. Now you have to select your video ad format in the Video Ad Format section. You can select the in-stream or video discovery ads format if you want your video ads to appear during playtime, as display ads beside the YouTube video player, or as search results on YouTube, or you can select the bumper ads format to serve unskippable 6-second video ads during mid-play on YouTube videos. In our case, we're going to select the bumper ads format because that is the simplest way to post a video ad through AdWords for video. Now you have to set up your bidding and budget. Please note, however, that your bidding strategy will depend on the video ad format that you select. For instance, if you select in-stream or video discovery ads, your default bidding strategy will be maximum CPV, or maximum cost per view, which will help you to get the most qualified views allowed by your total budget. On the other hand, if you select bumper ads as your video ad format, your default bidding strategy will be maximum CPM, or maximum cost per mile, which will help you to get the maximum impressions that you can afford within your budget. Okay, so let's set up budget. Here, you will be able to either set a daily budget or a fixed campaign total. The daily budget option will allow you to set up a daily amount of money towards your video campaign, and the campaign total option will allow you to set up a lifetime budget for the duration of your campaign. Once again, our recommendation here is to set a daily $5 budget to get started. You can click on the campaign start and end date display button to schedule your campaign, which will be set by default to start as soon as it is approved and without an end date. You can check the start and end date boxes and then use the calendar functions to schedule your video ad campaigns. Now, when you click on the delivery method display button, you will be able to select your ad delivery speed. You can select standard to deliver your ads evenly over the course of the day or for as long as your campaign runs. Or you can select accelerated to show your ads as quickly and to as many people as possible. In the networks section, you can select placements to show your video ads, including YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and on video partners on the display network. And we recommend you to leave all the default options selected. In the locations section, you can select where you are going to target people with your video ads, which can be either in all countries and territories or in your current location. And by checking the Let Me Choose option, you can select your own target locations. In our example case, we are going to check the Let Me Choose option to refine our targeting by selecting English-speaking locations only. In the Languages section, you will be able to specify the language of your target customers. In the Device section, you can adjust advanced device targeting settings. Lastly, you will be able to create custom ad schedules by clicking on the Ad Scheduling display button and set up frequency caps and content exclusions by clicking on the Ad Delivery display button. Once you have set it all up, you will simply have to click on Save and Continue. Now it is time to create your ad group and your ad. Start by naming your new ad group in the Ad Group field. Now enter your YouTube video ad URL in the Video Ad field. Now you have to enter your display URL, which is the URL address that will appear in your ad, and the final URL, which is a valid URL that people will click through to go to your site or landing page. Now you have to set up the companion banner. You can select to auto-generate your companion banner using videos from your channel, or you can select to upload an image that you can use for your companion banner. Lastly, name your video ad in the Ad Name field. Now move to the bidding section to set a maximum bid that adjusts to your bidding objective. This is the highest amount that you're willing to pay for a single view or impression, depending on which one you choose as your objective, and we recommend you to apply an amount a bit higher than the typical amount recommended by AdWords. Lastly, in the targeting section, you will be able to set up your audience targeting options. Here you will be able to customize your target audience according to demographics and interests. In demographics, you will be able to target audiences by gender, age, parental status, and household income. In interests, you will be able to target affinity audiences for each, to target in-market audiences for return on investment, and to target custom affinity audiences. You will also have the option to target audiences by life events, such as college graduation, marriage, and moving. Lastly, you will be able to use the Narrow Your Audience menu to add targeting criteria to your targeting settings, including keywords, placements, and topics, as well as to target website visitors through remarketing. Finally, you can click on Save Ad Group when you set it all up. And that's it. Next up, we will be teaching you how you can use AdWords for video to set up in-stream ads and in-display ads. So tune in. Setting up an in-stream ad. Hey there, my friend. Setting up an in-stream ad to directly influence your targets during their watching experience is as easy can get, and we're about to show you how. Start on your AdWords account and click on the Campaigns tab. Now click on the New Campaign drop-down menu and select the video option. Now name your new video campaign in the Campaign Name field and leave the standard campaign type selected. Now in the Video Ad Format section, select the in-stream or video discovery ads format. Now it is time to set up your bidding and budget formats. The maximum CPV or maximum cost per view bidding strategy will be selected by default when you select the in-stream or video discovery ads video ad format. So simply move on to Budget now. Here, select the daily $5 budget and leave the campaign start and end date fields, the delivery method options, as well as the network options at their default values. Now select your target locations in the Locations section. For this example, we are going to select the Let Me Choose option to target the United States and Canada. Leave the Languages section, the Devices section, and the Advanced Settings section at their default selected values and click on Save and Continue. Now it is time to create your ad and your ad group. Start by naming your new ad group in the Ad Group field, and then enter your video ad URL in the Video Ad field. Because you selected the in-stream or video discovery ad format, you will have the option to select between customizing an in-stream ad or an in-display ad, and for this video, we are going to select the in-stream option to show you how you can set one up the easy way. Start by entering your display URL after selecting your video ad format, and then the final URL to your site or landing page. Now select whether to auto-generate or to upload an image to use as your companion banner, and then name your in-stream video ad in the Ad Name field. You can use the buttons in the Preview in-stream ad section to take a look at how your video ad will look on YouTube and on partner networks. Now go to the Bidding section to adjust your maximum bid according to your bidding objective. Remember to set an amount that sits above the typical amount recommended by AdWords, right beside the maximum bid amount box. Let's now move on to the Targeting section to set up the audience targeting options. Here we are going to give you an example of how you can customize your audience targeting, and we're going to start by clicking on the Edit button corresponding to demographics, and deselecting some demographic criteria that we would rather not target with this campaign. Once you refine your demographics like we just did, you'll simply have to click on Done. Now we are going to click on the Edit button corresponding to interests, and then we're going to select Affinity Audiences. Now we're going to click on the Sports and Fitness option to select the Health and Fitness niche audience, and then we're going to click on Done. Now we are going to use the Narrow Your Audience menu to add additional targeting criteria to our targeting settings, and we're going to select to target topics. This will allow us to show our in-stream ads on videos related to the topic we choose. Because we want to target a very specific topic, we're going to use the Search by Related Term, Phrase, or URL field to enter our niche keyword. As you can see, we are now able to select our topic from a main category. Now that we have selected our target topic, we're simply going to click on Done. You can apply the same strategy on your own campaigns in order to reach only the most qualified targets. Once you have set it all up, you have to simply click on Save Ad Group. And that is it. Next up, we will be showing you how to set up an in-display ad by following a series of similarly simple steps, so make sure to tune in. Setting up an in-display ad. Hey there everyone! Setting up an in-display ad is a cheaper, less intrusive alternative to in-stream ads, and we're here to show you how to easily set one up. Start on your AdWords account and click on the Campaigns tab. Now click on the New Campaign drop-down menu and select the video option. Name your new video ad campaign in the campaign name field, and leave the standard campaign type selected. Now select the in-stream or video discovery ads format in the video ad format section. Move to the bidding and budget section and enter a daily $5 budget. Leave the campaign start and end date fields, the delivery method options, and the network options at their default values. Now select your target locations in the locations section. Leave the languages section, the devices section, and the advanced settings section at their default selected values, and click on Save and Continue. Now name your new ad group in the Ad Group field, and then enter your video ad URL in the Video Ad field. Now select the Video Discovery Ad option. Time to customize your in-display ad. Start by selecting your video ad thumbnail. Then move to your headline and your description lines. Remember to use headlines for short copy, where you include the name of your brand, your product, or service, as well as keywords that describe the use and benefits of your offer. And to use description line 1 to enter your website URL, and description line 2 to add a call to action or an incentive. Then on the landing page section, select where you are going to take your targets when they click on your discovery video ads. You can select to send them to your channel page on YouTube or to the video's watch page on YouTube. Now name your video discovery ad in the ad name field. Now go to the bidding section to adjust your maximum bid according to your bidding objective. Remember to set an amount that sits above the typical amount recommended by AdWords, right beside the maximum bid amount box. Let's now move to the targeting section to set up the audience targeting options. Here we are going to select the same targeting configuration that we used in our previous video. And we are going to start by clicking on the Edit button corresponding to demographics, to deselect and demographics criteria that we would rather not target with this campaign. And then we are going to click on Done. Now we are going to click on the Edit button corresponding to interests. And then we are going to select Affinity Audiences. Now we are going to click on the Sports and Fitness option to select the health and fitness niche audience. And then we are going to click on Done. Now we are going to use the Narrow Your Audience menu to add additional targeting criteria to our targeting settings. And we are going to select to target topics. Now we are going to use the Search by Related Term, Phrase, or URL field to enter our niche keyword. Once we select our target topic, we are simply going to click on Done. Once you have it all set up like we just did, you will just have to click on Save Ad Group, and that is it. So, are you now ready to move into the more advanced stuff? Because we sure are. See you in the next section. Hey there everyone, and welcome to Section 3 of our Video Ads Training Series, the Advanced Video Ad Strategies section, where we are going to show you how to apply proven expert-level strategies in your video advertising campaigns. Contents in this section include creating a brand awareness campaign, creating a video ad on Facebook, creating a video remarketing campaign, other video advertising platforms to consider, optimizing your video ads, video advertising tips and tricks. So let's kickstart this section by walking you through one of our top performing strategies, creating a brand awareness campaign. Okay guys and gals, take your seats and prepare to work, because in this video we are going to teach you how to create a brand awareness video advertising campaign using the AdWords for Video platform. Now, we want to clarify that to this date, The brand awareness video campaign setup is not available right from your regular AdWords account, and that's why it goes under the radar for most marketers. To access this feature, you will need to click on the Try the Faster AdWords shortcut button located on the lower right corner of your AdWords account. Now wait for the Faster AdWords version of your account to load. Once in your Faster AdWords account dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab located on the left-hand menu. Once on the Campaigns page, click on the plus campaign icon, and then click on the New Campaign option. Now click on the Video option from the campaign type selection. One thing worth noting is that the Faster AdWords will allow you to select the campaign goal when you select your campaign type. The video campaign type, for instance, will allow you to choose between two marketing goals. First, product and brand consideration, to get more people to consider buying your products and services, and brand awareness and reach, to build brand recognition and reach a wider audience. Now, to create a brand awareness video campaign, you will simply have to select the brand awareness and reach goal and then to click on Continue. Now you will have to set up your brand awareness campaign. Start by naming your new campaign in the campaign name field. Now, set your budget type as daily and enter a daily budget of $5 to get started. In delivery method, select Accelerated to increase ad delivery for speedier brand recognition. Now adjust your start and end dates with no end date. Select all placements on networks. Now select your target languages and your target locations. In our case, we are going to select the English language, yet we are going to target all countries and territories to increase brand awareness on a global scale. Now set your bidding strategy as maximum CPM and leave the rest of the campaign setup settings on default, and move to the Ad Group section to enter your ad group name in the Ad Group Name field. Now go over to the bidding section and enter a maximum CPM bid of 40 cents. Now you will have to set up your targeting options. Make sure to target any age, any gender, any parental status, any household income in the demographic settings, and to target any interests in the interests settings inside the people who you want to reach section. Now go to the Content section to adjust your target keywords, topics, and placements according to your offers, your niche, and your target audience. Now go to the Create Your Video Ad section and enter your video ad URL in the Your YouTube Video field. The bumper ad format will be set as your default ad format based on your bidding strategy. So you will simply have to enter your site's URL in the final URL field, and to enter a URL to display on your ad in the Display URL field. Lastly, select whether to auto-generate a companion banner using videos from your channel or to upload an image, and name your new video ad in the Ad Name field. Now click on Save and Continue. And that is it. Now your business will be truly ready to reach a wider audience in record time. Creating a video ad on Facebook. Hey there, folks. Let's try out a different platform. One that will expose your business to an equally large, equally engaged audience. Let us show you how to create a video ad on Facebook. Start on your Facebook account and click on the menu button. Now click on the Create Ads option and wait for your Ads Manager account to load. You will be taken right away to the campaign creation screen by default. To serve a video ad on Facebook, you will first need to create a new campaign. And to create a new campaign, you have to start by selecting your marketing objective. The objectives offered by Facebook ads include brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, and store visits. For this example case, we are going to select the video views option to increase direct engagement with our video ad. Once you select your objective, you will have to name your new campaign in the campaign name field. Then you'll have to click on the Set Up Ad Account button. On the next page, you will simply have to specify your account country, your currency, and your time zone, and then to click on Continue. Now you have to create your new ad set. Start by naming your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now you have to scroll down to the Audience column. Here, you will have to select your target location or a series of target locations in the Locations box. Simply type the name of your target locations in the text field and click on them to add them to your list of target locations. You can further refine your location targeting by going to the Locations menu and selecting whether to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now in the Age section, you can select the base age and a top age to target. In the Gender section, you can select to either target men, women, or all. In the Languages field, you can type and select the languages that you want to target. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can reach out to users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. In the Placements column, you can select automatic placements or to edit placements. If you select automatic placements, you will serve your ads to all types of users on all types of devices across multiple networks. If you select to edit placements, you will be able to select your own ad placements. On the Budget and Schedule column, you have to set up your budget and your campaign schedule. You can either select a daily budget if you want to spend a fixed daily amount, or you can select lifetime budget if you want to spread your ad spend during the lifetime of your ad. In the Schedule section, you can select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to run your ad with no end date, or you can select the Set a Start Date and an End Date option to schedule your campaign. For this example case, we are going to select a daily budget of $5, and we are going to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option. Once you are done configuring your ad set, click on Continue. On the following page, you will have to edit your ad creative. Start by naming your video ad in the Ad Name field. Now select the Facebook page that you will be using to promote your video ad using the Facebook page menu in the Identity section. Now go to the Format section and select Single Video. Now go to the Video section and click on the Upload Video button and browse for your video on your computer. You can keep customizing your video ad while your video uploads. So let's scroll down to show you how to edit your video ad copy on the Text section. Start by entering your video ad copy in the text field. Now check the Add a Website URL option and enter your website URL or landing page URL in the Website URL field. In the Headline field, you have to enter an engaging headline for your video ad. In our case, we're going to simply enter the name of our business. And in the newsfeed link description, we're going to type a short but actionable phrase related to our business. In the Call to Action menu, you can select the working Call to Action button for your ad. In our case, we're going to select the Learn More option. You can use the Ad Preview feature on the right-hand side to see how your ad is going to look on different placements, such as desktop and mobile feeds. Once your video ad is ready, you'll simply have to click on the Confirm button and to wait for it to be approved. And that's it. Creating a video remarketing campaign. Hey there everyone! Aren't you tired of getting targets that forget about your brand right after they watch your videos or leave your website? Worry no more, because we are going to teach you how to get back to those potentially lost customers with a video remarketing campaign. To create a video remarketing campaign, you first need to create a remarketing list. A remarketing list is a customer list that you retarget with ads based on previous interactions with your brand or business. To create a remarketing list for your video remarketing campaigns, you have to start on your AdWords account dashboard and to click on the Campaigns tab. Once in the Campaigns section, you'll have to click on the Shared Library menu tab and then click on the Audiences option. Here from the Audiences section, you will be able to set up remarketing lists that will allow you to reconnect with targets that have shown an interest in your brand or business. Click on the new remarketing list drop-down menu and you will see that there are 4 types of remarketing lists that you can set up: website visitors, mobile app users, YouTube users, and customer emails. Because your remarketing objective is to create a remarketing list to create video remarketing campaigns, you will have to select YouTube users from the menu. You will be taken to the new video remarketing list page, where you will be able to create your new video remarketing list. Start by selecting your remarketing list type from the list type menu. These remarketing list setups include people who have viewed any video from a channel, visited a channel page, viewed any video as an ad from a channel, liked any video from a channel, commented on any video from a channel, shared any video from a channel, subscribed to a channel, added any video from a channel to a playlist, or viewed certain videos. For our example case, we are going to select the viewed any video as an ad from a channel list type to retarget to people who have viewed video ads from our channel for at least 30 seconds. Now use the YouTube channel menu to select the YouTube channel that you will use for your video remarketing campaigns. Now name your new remarketing list in the list name field. Now in the membership duration box, you have to enter the number of days the user's cookie stays active in the list if the user doesn't interact with your video or channel, which means that you have to specify for how many days you will keep retargeting a user with your video ads after a user stops interacting with your videos or channel. The default membership duration is 30 days, but we recommend you to establish a membership duration of 7 to 14 days if your marketing objective includes low-value orders or website visits, and to establish a membership duration of 30 days if your marketing objective includes high-ticket orders. In the status section, you have to select to either leave your list's membership status open or closed. Select Open if you want to always keep adding new visitors and leads to your remarketing list, or select Closed if you want to only retarget engaged visitors that are already in your list until the end of your campaign. Lastly, in the Initial List Size section, you have to select the initial size of your list. You can include users from the last 120 days to your new list, or to start with an empty list, to start including visitors to your list once your list is set up and active. Once you have set it all up, click on the Create List button. AdWords will start updating your list according to your configurations. Now it is time to set up your video remarketing campaign. Go back to the Campaigns Dashboard tab and then click on the New Campaign drop-down menu to select the video option. Now name your new video remarketing campaign in the Campaign Name field. For this example case, we are going to click on the existing video campaign menu to select one of our previous campaign configurations. This means that the campaign setup is based on our previous campaign. So we would just need to add remarketing to our targeting criteria. So we scroll down and click on Save and Continue to move to the next step. Now you will simply have to enter your ad group name, your video ad URL, and to customize your video according to the format that you selected. Now enter your maximum bid adjustment and edit your targeting criteria. In our case, we are going to leave them at their default values because we don't want to exclude people from our remarketing list. Now click on the Narrow Your Targeting menu and click on the Remarketing option. You will be able to select your remarketing lists as one of your targeting criteria. To target a remarketing list, you will have to click on the Add button corresponding to any remarketing list in the Remarketing List column. Once you have selected your remarketing lists, you'll simply have to click on Done. Finally, click on Save Ad Group once you set it all up. And that is it. Other video advertising platforms to consider. Video advertising isn't limited to YouTube, social media, and your own website. In fact, there are lots of video advertising networks out there, and that is why it can be difficult to choose where to serve your video ads when you're looking to expand your reach beyond the usual channels. So, with that in mind, we have decided to help you out by making a list of our top video advertising network picks for you. We have based our picks on features such as targeting, multi-screen support, existing user base, outreach potential, and analytics. So let's take a look. Hulu. Hulu is a leading video streaming service that offers you an advertising experience that is right for your brand or business. With over 40% of ad-supported subscribers and the largest streaming TV library in the industry, it offers your business the best of TV advertising in digital format. By advertising on Hulu, you will be able to align your brand with premium video content, a younger and more engaged audience, personalized and more precise targeting, and a clutter-free premium advertising experience. TubeMogul. TubeMogul is a leading software platform that enables brands and businesses to plan, buy, measure, and optimize their video advertising efforts. The TubeMogul platform is designed to let you orchestrate sophisticated programmatic video ad campaigns across digital screens, television, and other out-of-home channels. Chocolate. The Chocolate Marketplace is a leading platform for programmatic buying and selling of mobile video advertising. It is the first mobile video-only platform for advertising on mobile web and apps. With over 10,000 publishers, it will allow you to maximize the reach and scale of your video advertising campaigns. It is data-driven and features advanced audience segmentation and targeting. Undertone. Undertone is a pioneering video advertising platform that is still going strong. It is easily configurable and offers you an easy way to serve video ads in high-impact formats that include full-screen video ads, premium pre-roll video ads, and video teasers. It is an awesome alternative to AdWords for video, and it delivers great results. Videology. Videology is a leading software provider for advertising across digital video channels and TV. The Videology platform is designed to turn your audience data and your video inventory into successful video advertising campaigns. The company's converged video advertising software allows advertisers and businesses like yours to drive greater value through cross-screen planning, execution, and measurement, all from a single platform. Select Media. Select Media is a full-stack video and mobile advertising solution for advertisers eager to deliver exceptional video ad campaigns. The Select Media platform connects thousands of publishers, sites, and monetization partners for better efficiency and outreach. It also has built-in real-time filtering that guarantees a safe ad viewing experience to your targets. Its global reach of 350 million viewers across 55 countries, predictive video ad trading, and innovative video ad formats is an excellent choice if you are looking to introduce your business to new markets. Optimizing your video ads. Hey there everyone. As any marketer worth their salt would know, optimization is crucial if you want to get the most bang for your buck out of your video advertising campaigns. Optimization is all about tuning up the best elements of your video ad campaigns while modifying their weaker points. These are the best optimization strategies that you can apply. Narrow down your targeting. It will be inevitable to target a specific yet wide audience at the beginning of your video campaigns, which means that you will inevitably reach unqualified and uninterested viewers. That is why the first optimization rule is to learn how to narrow your targeting. The first thing that you will need to do is to track who is engaging positively with your video ads across all your targeted channels, which means that you will have to take a granular look at your analytics. The most important metrics to measure are views, audience, branding, and conversions. Views refers to how many qualified views you are getting from your audience. Please note that views and audience have to be measured in relation to each other, not separately. The best way to do this is by qualifying views as unique views, where unique views are every single time a video ad was watched by someone without skipping, or at least for most of its run. These unique views represent targets that are either interested in your message or that have been hooked by your ad. You can find these unique views in some analytic tools and dashboards as view-through rates, or VTR. Once you have collected unique views from your audience, you will need to measure branding. Branding is how relevant your message is to your target audience, and you can track this metric by looking at how many likes, comments, and shares your video ads are getting from your qualified audience on each channel and placement. Lastly, you will need to look at conversions, which is simply the number of times that your qualified targets have completed your desired actions, which could be a click-through to your website or even a purchase. Once you have collected all that data, you will simply have to look at who is completing the entire cycle from unique views to conversion, and then narrow down your campaign targeting based on demographics, interests, topics, and keywords from your audience data collection. Create a negative remarketing list. It is important to keep your video ad campaigns within budget, and a very effective way of achieving this is by creating negative remarketing lists on campaigns that have been running for a moderate or long time. What you have to do is to use your video advertising platform's targeting feature to exclude targets that have already watched your video ads from being watched. This way, you will only serve your video ads to new potential customers. Add region-specific closed captions. Take a look at your analytics, and you might be surprised at the positive engagement that some of your video ads will get from certain regions outside of your original target locations. In those cases, it is recommended that you experiment with targeting those regions with your video ads. And you will have to optimize your video ads for those regions by generating quality video transcriptions and adding them to your video ads. You can use a service such as Fiverr.com to outsource high-quality video transcriptions for cheap. Evaluate impressions for higher viewability. Tracking performance isn't just a matter of looking at how many people have watched your video ads without skipping. To effectively track your performance to optimize your video ads for optimal viewability, you will need to evaluate what channels, placements, and platforms are giving you the highest amount of relevant impressions. In fact, you have to take a step forward and evaluate video advertising performance on certain properties and platforms before you even place your video ads in them. For example, you might launch your video campaign on YouTube first to get traction while you view the average performance of video ads on certain websites and placements before you target them through AdWords for Video or other third-party video advertising networks. There is a variety of ways of doing this evaluation. You can research how certain video ad campaigns have performed across multiple channels by taking notes on case studies. You can go to the properties that you plan to target yourself and take notes of how you engage with video ads placed in there. Or you can research universal video advertising benchmarks. Lastly, you will be able to evaluate impressions on your campaigns yourself by tracking high-performing and low-performing placements across your campaigns. Redesign your visual assets. You don't need to create a new video ad in order to boost video advertising campaigns, because sometimes it will be enough to simply redesign the visual assets used on your video ads, such as fonts and backgrounds. The best ways to know what modifications you will need to do on your visual assets is to either split test your campaigns at launch or to poll your potential user base using cards on YouTube or on social media. Video advertising tips and tricks. Hey there, everyone. Because we know that you want to have the advantage and to save time from the get-go, here's a list of proven video advertising tips and tricks that you can apply today. Go for standard length on each platform. The majority of marketers will produce a single version of their video ads for all platforms, but our advice for you is to create variations at different length according to each specific platform. You see, people assume that video ads should last between 20 seconds to 90 seconds, but people react differently to video ads on different platforms. For example, The average length of video ads on Facebook is 55 seconds, but users in the platform are less likely to scroll past video ads that are 18 seconds long, and are much more likely to engage with it as well. So, with that in mind, make an effort to keep your video ad at the following lengths: 20 seconds on social media, under 10 seconds on the display network, and in between 6 seconds or 20 to 35 seconds on YouTube. Create a hook. The best way to avoid ad skipping is by devising a hook for the first 5 to 10 seconds of your video ads. This is because 10 seconds is the average attention span of internet users, after which they are likely to skip on a video ad if they're not hooked. Setting up a hook for the first seconds of your video ad is as simple as offering an immediate reward or element of surprise to hook your viewers, such as teasing a promotion to those that watch the ad until the end, or by addressing your audience's needs right away. Split test your video ads. Now, the best way to know how to optimize your video ads into perfection is by split testing them. Split testing is testing your video ads by splitting them into 2 or more variations, each one differing in visual presentation, target placements, and length. Target each variation at the same time to identically sized segments of the same audience to evaluate which one performs better. Then you can either stick with the one that performed better or repurpose the elements which your target segments reacted the best into a final version of your video ad. Focus on indirect pitches, not sales. Focus your advertising message on telling a story about your product and offers, as well as on the benefits offered by your brand or business. Video ads that focus on value and relevance rather than on making a direct sale tend to perform better and to hit more targets. Make a list of 5 or more benefits that your product, offer, or service will provide to your customers, and then highlight them on your video ads. More so, focus your video ads on telling stories about people using your products or services. Create multi-screen variations of your video ads. Most people on mobile are annoyed by having to switch from a vertical to a horizontal screen when a video comes up, and for them, it is easier to simply skip a video if they know beforehand that they will be forced to do so. That is why you should always create a vertical hold version of your video ad that you can use to target your mobile targets. And that is just one example, as you have to consider the variety of devices and screens that you want your video ads to appear on. Now, you have to not only consider the size of your videos, but also how video assets such as your brand's logo will adapt to different screens. And a very good way to forecast where your video ads will be served the most is by knowing your target audience. That's right. You will know what devices besides desktop to target by knowing your target audience first. For example, targets aged 35 to 54 spend more time on tablets than their younger counterparts, who spend most of the time on their smartphones. So what type of screens you will be serving your video ads on will largely depend on which age bracket you will be targeting as well. Be interactive. One of the smartest, simplest ways to generate conversions besides having an awesome video ad is to add interactive elements to your video ads. A simple call to action or a website link will do the trick most of the time, but you have to be careful to add the right call to action message to let your potential customers know what action to take after watching your video ads. Hello there everyone, and welcome to Section 4 of our video training series, Additional Tips to Consider, where we are going to give you additional advice and recommendations that will help you to get better, faster results. Some of the contents in this section include do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. So, let's kickstart the section off with a list of insightful observations and stuff we have learned about video ads by succeeding and failing at various stages of our own video advertising journey. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Use click to play. The majority of people are really put off by video ads that autoplay when they are browsing a page. Instead, enable click to play on your video ads to increase viewability. Use autopause. Enable autopause in your video ads to stop your videos when a viewer switches to a different tab or application. This will help you to get your entire message across and to increase viewability. Add authenticity. Adding touches of authenticity, such as real-world people acting in your video ads, can help you build trust in your brand. Encourage action. Use the last seconds of your video ads to encourage your viewers to take action, such as telling them where to click or what to watch for next after they're done watching your ad. Use high-quality production values. Make your video ads the best quality that you can afford. Poor quality ads have little to no chance of getting the attention of users that already have several content options available at any time. Experiment with video links. The best way to discover what type of video ad your target audience is willing to watch to completion is to experiment with varying video ad lengths to examine your metrics. Be responsive. Make sure that your video ads are mobile friendly to capture the attention of the ever-growing mobile crowd. Target the right audience. Make sure that you only show your video ads to those that are most likely to be interested in them. This will help you to increase conversions and your return on investment. Refresh your content. Keep your target audience interested by updating your content while keeping your message intact. Know who's watching. Only count a view as engagement when a single user watches 90% of one of your video ads. That way, you will know who are your potential customers. Don'ts. Don't go for too long. Long video ads that take a long time to deliver the intended marketing message are always skipped by people even before you are able to show them value or your call to action. Don't overproduce. Complex camera tricks, fancy graphical effects, and other tricks won't add value to your video ads. They're just distracting. Don't go over budget. Spending a lot of money by blind targeting your audience won't help your bottom line. Instead, learn who your target audience is so you can make a better use of your budget. Don't use outdated assets. Reusing elements from old video ads to create new ones can cause you to mistakenly include outdated elements in your new videos, such as expired URLs. Don't overpromote. While you should, of course, use your video ads to promote the benefits of your products or services, you should avoid using them to directly ask your targets to buy. Don't ignore analytics. Always pay attention to what your metrics are telling you about your video advertising performance and about how you can improve. Don't delay publishing dates, or you will risk being overtaken by a competitor or losing some of your message's relevance due to shifting trends. Don't neglect consistency. Never show something on your video ads that your product or service is not. The only thing you'll earn from deception is a bad reputation. Don't let your campaigns run unchecked. The easiest way to deplete your audience's attention as well as your budget is by letting your video ad campaigns run unscheduled. Set a point in time where you evaluate your campaign's performance, and then pause them and optimize them according to your results. Don't stagnate your efforts. You have to be willing to try new strategies such as serving your video ads on different channels or video remarketing in order to keep using video advertising to grow your business. Premium tools and services to consider. Shaker. Shaker is a social media-oriented video advertising tool that will allow you to create, advertise, and grow your brand with awesome video ads. With Shaker, you will be able to create your video ads right from within your browser and to promote your video ads on social media with a few clicks. Promo. Promo is a premium do-it-yourself video ad creation platform that will allow you to easily create beautiful advertising videos. This groundbreaking service will give you lifetime access to thousands of video clips and hand-picked music that you can use to promote anything and anywhere on the internet. Slightly. Slightly is a video ad technology company that allows small business and large corporations to personalize their video adverts towards a defined audience at a local level, which means that you will be able to quickly generate several versions of your video ads based on location. The company's people-centered targeting delivers performance by matching interested viewers with your most relevant content. Magisto. Magisto is an automated video editor that will allow you to transform video and images into edited movies right from your smartphone or computer. Its ease of use and practicality make it a perfect application for creating awesome bumper video ads. VideoShop. VideoShop is an intermediate-level video editor which you can use to create professional-looking video ads for any video advertising channel. It is fast, easy to use, and will allow you to personalize your videos either from your mobile device or PC. Vidyard. Vidyard is a business-centered video advertising platform that can help you to transform your business video advertising efforts into more revenue through the strategic use of online video ads. The video advertising service offered by the company goes beyond video ad hosting and management, as it also offers personalized video experiences, performance insights, and enterprise integrations. SpotX. SpotX is a trusted video serving platform focused on managing and maximizing video advertising yield. The SpotX platform features modern ad serving and a programmatic infrastructure, as well as other monetization tools such as Outstream video ad units, giving advertisers complete control and the means to maximize revenue. Ooyala. Ooyala is a video advertising technology platform that empowers both broadcasters and publishers to maximize premium video advertising revenue. The Ooyala platform can help you to maximize your sellout rate, to maximize your revenue, to balance user experience and opportunity, to reach your targets everywhere, and to earn from your extended audience. Snap Studio Plus. Snap Studio Plus is an online video ad creation service that allows you to create fully customized video ads. You will only have to provide Snap Studio your logos, photos, graphics, and ad copy, and they will take care of the rest by using an extensive library of commercially licensed media to make awesome video ads for your business. Matami. Matami is a video ad network that will allow you to boost your campaign's fill rate with engaging video advertising formats and by distributing your video ads alongside highly relevant content via programmatic campaign management for maximum results. Shocking case studies. Tulane's Closet. Tulane's Closet is a brand of post-surgery pet garments that were born as a more comfortable alternative to post-surgery plastic cones. Objectives. The brand's objectives were to increase their reach and brand awareness on a budget. Strategy. The brand's owner created a series of video ads to show potential customers why the brand's garments were a better alternative for their pets, with videos where it was showing how comfortable and practical they are. Results? Video ad targeting allowed the brand to reach the right customers, and it now sells to over 500 veterinarians across the U.S. and the world. The brand also doubled their sales after it started using video ads. LSTN Headphones. LSTN Headphones is a company that specializes in high-quality yet affordable headphones for hearing restoration. Objective. The company wanted to spread awareness about hearing loss and hearing impairment. Strategy. The company created a series of video ads for YouTube to showcase how its products could help the hearing impaired. Results? Video ads helped the company to quickly gain traction, and they were able to help over 20,000 afflicted people to get new headphones as gifts. Revzilla. Revzilla is a Philadelphia-based retail and e-commerce store that offers a wide range of motorcycle gear and apparel. Objective. The company's objective was to reach new customers and to re-engage old ones. Strategy. The company used its collective knowledge to produce cool video ads demonstrating new products as well as safety tips for its target audience. Results? The company's video ad campaign has reached over 7 million views and a 50% increase in revenue in the past few years. Zag. Zag is a company that produces accessories to protect mobile devices, including shields, skins, cases, and a patented military-grade screen film. Objective? The company's objective was to demonstrate the effectiveness of its products on making mobile devices practically indestructible. Strategy? The company used YouTube's advertising platform to promote product demonstrations and installation tips. ZAGG has maintained consistency by uploading and advertising an average 100 videos a year to keep engagement alive. Results? The company was able to achieve a staggering 75% increase in conversions with their highly targeted video ads. Missouri Star Quilt. Missouri Star Quilt is currently the world's largest quilting fabric retailer. Objective: the company wanted to recover its relevancy and to go back to business after stumbling in 2008. Strategy: the company created quilting video tutorials and uploaded them to YouTube. After discovering that there was a large quilting fan base, its owners decided to experiment with video ads to convert these quilting fans into customers with advanced targeting strategies. Results? The company was able to reach an outstanding 1 million potential customers, as well as over 14,000 online sales just 6 months after they started running video ads. Rokenbach. Rokenbach is a company that produces building sets and remote control machines for kids. Objective: the company needed to find a way to demonstrate how its toys were used to increase its appeal among kids and their parents. Strategy: the company started producing engaging videos to showcase its products in action, and then promoted them as video ads on YouTube. Results? To this day, the company is getting most of its website traffic from its video ads. Tuft and Needle. Tuft and Needle is a company that pioneered the concept of a universally comfortable mattress that could be easily shipped affordably in a single box. Objective: the company needed to showcase its product's appeal to the masses on a budget. Strategy: the guys behind Tuft and Needle created impactful video ads to show the difference between their company's authentic approach and the traditional mattress industries, and they used video ad targeting to reach potential customers among those that visited their website, as well as people who searched for mattresses and real estate. Results? The company made a mind-blowing $100 million in sales in a single year, thanks to video ads alone. Balcony Ballroom. The Balcony Ballroom is a wedding reception venue located in Louisiana. Objective: the company wanted to differentiate itself in the competitive wedding venues industry. Strategy: the company commissioned several pieces of wedding events footage to a video advertising agency that recut the existing footage to create videos that spoke directly to the emotions of the target audience. And they used Facebook to launch the video advertising campaign. Results? The company only spent a total of $660 on video ads, and it got 74,290 views, each at 1 cent. L'Oreal. L'Oreal is a popular worldwide beauty products brand. Objective: the company wanted to promote the launch of its new line of skincare masks across all digital channels. Strategy: the company identified audiences that were interested in the products and that already had an affinity to the brand. Then it launched a video ad campaign on multiple channels that took users through various stages of the classic sales funnel. Results? The company's video ad campaign produced a 37% lift in ad recall and a 13% lift in brand awareness. DiGiorno. DiGiorno is a brand of frozen pizza that is sold across the U.S. and Canada. Objective: the brand's objective was to get customers to replace pizza deliveries for their frozen pizza alternatives. Strategy: the brand conducted an experiment in which they recorded the reactions of people when they tried frozen pizza right out of the oven versus cold delivery pizza, and they used these recordings as teaser video ads to promote their product on Instagram and Facebook. Results? The company reached over 20 million people with their video ads, and they achieved a 6-point lift in purchase intent and an 8-point lift in ad recall. Frequently asked questions. How much will it cost you to produce an awesome video ad? The cost of creating and producing a video ad can fluctuate depending on what type of video you want to produce, what type of audience you want to reach, what type of product, business, or service you are going to promote, and how much you can afford to spend on creating the video ad at the expense of other aspects of your video marketing campaign, such as ad spend. On average, agencies can create a video ad on a $25,000 to $80,000 budget, and sometimes higher. If you do it on your own, expect to spend close to $15,000. But that's if you want to produce a TV-like ad, because you can easily create very affordable video ads by using online tools and outsourcing the more technical stuff, such as voiceovers. You can even create video ads for free if you only use online video animation tools, as long as you have the right idea. How much can it cost to get 1 million views on a video ad? Getting 1 million views on a video ad depends on a lot of factors outside of your ad spend. These factors include the size of your audience, the video advertising platform where you are serving your video ads on, and the locations that you are targeting. On YouTube, for example, you would have to spend from $40,000 to $60,000 to get 1 million targeted views. That doesn't count organic views, and you are only charged for targets that watch your video ad for more than 30 seconds, so you might end up spending less than that. Is video advertising profitable? Yes, video advertising can be profitable when your objective is to generate revenue. Lots of businesses have made turnovers that range from $1 million to $4 million in a single year with video ads. How cost-effective is video advertising? Video advertising is one of the most cost-effective advertising methods there are for online marketers. On average, the cost per acquisition for a $40 purchase ranges from $15 to $25. Yet you have to consider that the majority of these converted leads will become repeat customers. Also, you have to consider that the impact of video advertising is long-term. For example, video ad campaigns can reduce costs per acquisition by as much as 35% over time. For how long should your video ad campaigns run? With the exception of season-specific campaigns, the average recommended runtime for a video advertising campaign is a year or more if the campaign proves to be effective. What are the elements that define a truly successful video ad campaign? For a video ad campaign to be successful and profitable, it needs to be defined by the following elements. Concept. The campaign should be based on a concept that is entertaining, that strikes a chord with your audience and has the potential to go viral. Production. The campaign should be divided into different variations of the same video ad with different production elements, such as different introductions, calls to action, and scripting. Testing. The campaign should be launched and tested on many different platforms to see where it performs the best, and then it needs to be optimized accordingly. Distribution. The distribution of optimized versions of your campaign should be scaled by increasing your investment towards it. Expansion. Lastly, you can expand the reach of your campaign, such as serving it on other locations, to an additional audience in other languages, and so on. What are the chances of your video ad campaign going viral? If your video ad campaign is focused on driving sales, its chances of going viral are average, even random at best. If you focus your video ad campaign on going viral, then keep in mind that doing so will mostly help you to boost brand recall, but not with increasing sales. What should you do if your video ads don't perform as well as you expect? You should go back to the drawing board. When your campaigns don't perform well, it means that you are still in the testing phase. What you have to do in this stage is to look at your conversion pipeline and examine the elements that clicked with those that engaged and reacted positively with your campaign, and then to optimize your video ads around those elements. What's the perfect video ad length? Most advertisers agree on 4 different lengths: 90 seconds, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, and 6 seconds. Now, it all comes down to creating different variations of the same ad, each one based on a different length. Once you launch your campaign, you will have to track what is the length which your audience is reacting better to. That is, which video ad variation your targets are watching in full. That will be your perfect video ad length. What are the most relevant metrics that you should track on your campaigns? Viewing rates, conversion rates, click-through rates, number of shares per video ad, and per campaign, as well as engagement.